Hey friends, today is an exciting day for Android fans because we're breathing new life into an older phone with a fresh, stable build of PixelOS based on Android 15. And yes, the best part is that this method will work on all phones. Thanks to the amazing developer community, devices that should have been left behind are still getting faster, smoother, and better than ever. This upgrade is going to give your phone that clean pixel look, buttery smooth performance, and all the latest Android features, basically making it feel brand new again. Before we get started, make sure you back up all your important data because this process will completely wipe the phone. Let's start the installation process. As you can see, I'm currently running a custom ROM, but the process is the same for everyone. Swipe down and head into your settings. We need to enable developer options. Scroll all the way down to About Phone. Find your build number and tap on it 7 times. Once it says you are now a developer, go back, enter System, then Developer Options. From here, the most important thing is to toggle on USB debugging. This allows our computer to talk to the phone. Once that's done, we're ready to move over to the PC. Now, on your computer, we need to gather a few files. First, open up Chrome and search for Android Platform Tools. This is the official SDK from Google that includes ADB and Fastboot, the tools we need to flash the software. Go to the official Android developers site, scroll down, and download the version for Windows. Accept the terms and let that download. Next, we need the ROM itself. Search for PixelOS in Google, click on the first link, which should be pixelos.net. This ROM is famous for being incredibly stable and close to the Google Pixel experience. Once you're on the site, go to the download section. You'll see a list of manufacturers. Find Xiaomi and then look for our device, the POCO F1, codenamed Beryllium. You'll see 2 main files here, the recovery and the latest build. You need both. First, click on Download for the recovery image. This will usually take you to SourceForge. While that's starting, go back and click the download button for the actual ROM zip file. These are the 2 ingredients for our Android 15 update. While those files are downloading, let's get organized. It's always a good idea to keep everything in one folder so you don't get confused. I've created a folder on my drive called PixelOS. Once your Platform Tools zip file is downloaded, right-click it and extract all. Inside that extracted folder, you'll see several files like adb.x and fastboot.x. Now, here's a pro tip for opening the command prompt. Click on the address bar at the top of the folder window, type cmd, and hit enter. This opens the terminal exactly inside this directory. Now, connect your phone to your computer using a high-quality USB cable. Now, in the CMD window, type ADB devices and hit enter. You should see a serial number pop up. That means your phone is connected and recognized. Now, let's boot the phone into fastboot mode. Type ADB reboot bootloader and watch your phone. It should restart and show the iconic fastboot logo with the little Android mascot. To confirm the connection in this mode, type fastboot devices. If you see your serial number again, you're golden. Now, we are going to flash the PixelOS recovery. Type fastboot flash recovery followed by a space now. Instead of typing the whole long file name, just click and drag the recovery image file from your folder right into the CMD window. It will automatically fill in the path. Hit enter. It only takes a couple of seconds. Once that's done, we need to boot into that recovery. Type fastboot boot followed by another space, and again, drag that same recovery image file into the window and hit enter. Your phone will now reboot into the custom PixelOS recovery menu. We are now in the PixelOS recovery. This is where we do the actual installation. First, we need a clean slate. Use the volume buttons to navigate or just tap the screen if it's supported. Go to Factory Reset and select Format Data Factory Reset. Confirm it. This will delete everything, so I hope you backed up. Once that's finished, go back to the main menu. Now, we're going to install the ROM. Select Apply Update and then choose Apply from ADB. Your phone is now waiting for the file. Switch back to your computer. In the terminal, type ADB sideload followed by a space. Now, drag the large PixelOS ROM zip file into the CMD window. Hit enter, you'll see a percentage starting to climb in the terminal. This part usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes, so feel free to grab a coffee. On the phone, you might see some text scrolling by. That's perfectly normal. It's essentially unzipping and installing the entire Android 15 system onto your device. Once the terminal hits 100% or says it's finished, the phone will go back to the recovery menu. Usually, it's a good practice to do one more format data after the installation just to ensure there are no encryption conflicts. So, go back to Factory Reset, hit Format Data one last time and confirm. Now, the moment of truth. Select Reboot System now. You'll see the brand logo first. Don't worry if it stays here for a minute. The first boot always takes a bit longer because the system is setting up the cache. After the logo, you should see the beautiful new Google Boot animation. If you see this, congratulations. You have successfully flashed Android 15 onto your phone. It's honestly amazing to see this animation on a device. And here we are, the welcome to your Pixel screen. Let's quickly breeze through the setup. Everything is working, the camera, the sensors, and the Wi-Fi. If you followed along and successfully updated your phone, let me know in the comments below. If you ran into any issues, drop a comment and the community or I will try to help you out. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you and subscribe for more deep dives and custom ROM tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.